equilibrium. Now, what do we mean by equilibrium? So I'm just going to write EQ for short. So what you want to do is you want to project your fib from your high to your low. So I don't really like to call it fib because I know fib has like so many other strategies ingrained into it. But really, a fib is the most recent low up to the most recent high, just like this. Now, the power of using the fib is that it gives you the power of drawing that equilibrium down here. Hopefully you can see that 50% is the equilibrium. Just from self-explanatory, you should be able to see that anything above the 50% is your premium, anything below is the discount. Yeah. Now from there, you then want to identify and ask yourself, I mean, on Wednesday, were we in premium or discount? Well, anyone can see we're in pretty high premium, right? So that was the first thing. And then the final thing we look for is a price imbalance, right? Price imbalance, otherwise known as a fair value gap. I prefer to call it price imbalance because it just sounds more professional, and I like to keep it nice and simple so you can remember. Just remember the 4-step process. So just remember STEP, STEP, right? So structure, targeted liquidity, EQ, and price imbalance. The mistake I see, or the problem I see a lot of traders make, is that they will try to find a price imbalance without actually going through the first 3 steps, which is wrong. You want to go through the first 3 steps first. Very important. Now, once you've done that, this is the reason why Wednesday's trade, I think, was really good. And this is the reason why Thursday's trade ended up really good. But let's just focus on Wednesday first. If we go to Wednesday over here we go. So this was the key level I had. So notice how there's a price imbalance there. Can both of you see that? Price imbalance right there. Yeah? Now, the bet that I was making was that Wednesday was going to create some kind of pullback. Now, why was Wednesday going to create some kind of pullback? So this is where it becomes a little bit discretionary, but I don't like using the word discretionary. It comes from pattern recognition. So I think, James, you probably saw this. I did post it in the Discord. There we go. So hopefully you noticed. So 1st of April, high of the week was on Wednesday.